Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can instantly transfer money from your bank account to your Trading 212 account. So let's get started. Now first off, to send money from your bank account to the Trading 212 app, you would need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Once you're on this menu, just go ahead and tap Deposit Funds right here. Now on this page you have a few options which you can use to deposit funds. First one is the classic bank transfer. So if you choose this one, it is free as you can see, but it can take a few days and it will only be transferred on the work days. But if you alternatively want to transfer money from your bank account to your Trading 212 account, you can use Google Pay right here. It will transfer it immediately and also without any fees. So this is my preferred option when I'm transferring funds from my bank account to Trading 212. So all you would need to do is just tap on Google Pay, then select the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So let's say 30 euros. Now just go ahead and tap Next. And once you tap on Next, the Google Pay window will load. So here you can select the card that is associated to your bank account, and that way directly transfer money from your bank account to your Trading 212 app. So all you would need to do, of course, is just connect your bank account to Google Pay, which is quite simple and straightforward. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap here and select your card. So once the card is selected, you can just go ahead and tap Pay and the money will be transferred. So at the moment, this is the best way to transfer funds from your bank account to Trading 212 without any fees and instantly. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.